I'm ready.
I'm holding the flag.
Capture the flag.
Ready! Start! Hit! Respond! Did gun hits count? No, that's Jeff. Okay, because I got. How are we on the flags? Can we move there? Can we get flags? Can we carry flags?
Drop your gun and run. Drop your gun and run. Yes.
Yes, go, go, go. Jeff is back down. Oh, Jeff got hit. Good. Okay, rush, rush, rush. Did he get hit? Over there by the sugar cane. Okay, what can we do to get guys rushing? Do you want to rush, Joshua? Or where are our guys? Leroy, can you go? Wait. Let's find out where this guy is.
Leroy, raise your arms high.
Okay, I see what he is. Denver's rushing. Got him. Hit. Top of my head, I don't know where it came from. Okay, are you going up? How soon are you respawn?
I'm already respawn. 45 seconds.
Respawn! Yep. Okay, watch your flags, So you're gonna rush now. He got hit. No, he dropped it though. Alright, hey, Jason. Put your hand up. Give me some cover. Jason, give me some cover. Go for flags now. Jason. Justin. Somebody go. Go, go, go. Go, run, 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 run. I'll try and cover you. Where is he? I think I just got Demer. Okay, where is this guy? I can't see him. Uh-oh, uh-oh, Caleb, Caleb. All right, he's flanking right. He's up on the hill. You want to run? Try it. Okay, well, the thing is, I can't see there. To the right. There's a guy on the left and a guy on the right. Watch Jeff moving on the right up onto the hill. Watch sugarcane, watch sugarcane. Man, it's shaking. Okay, hey, you want to grab a flag? Caleb, you cover? Jason, carry a flag. Go for it, go for it. If you got the energy. I don't know what happened to their team. Hardly anybody around. They're just walking around. Almost out of ammo. Hey, you wanna go grab my bottle of ammo or
Here. I don't know if this works.
Oh, what is this? It doesn't really work, but it will work. In a pinch it'll work, but
You have to go up and down.
oh, come on.
There, top of there, so you have to go up and down.
I got some now.
I'm ready.
Alright, go for it, I think.
Get him,
Caleb, cover. Caleb, cover, he's gonna run. Hold on, let me just spin this up here. Okay, go for it, Leroy.
There's a sniper right over there. Can you see him?
No, I can't
Just
wear.
up here. Right up your head there. He's shooting right at you.
Oh, now I see him, I think. Oh. Where was he? There?
Right over there.
Over there. Jeff. Jeff.
You can't. Okay, good.
Oh, good, he's hit.
Oh, the other one hit too.
What's wrong? Hit! I'm hit.
Respawn!
I think there's one flag left. Got a flag?
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. Game over! Woo! Good game! Woo! Great job, Caleb.